Okay, this is SW-0618A, the 30-inch ram press. The 30-inch ram and the 36-inch ram share the hydraulic tank, but they have individual pumps to run each press. This press is guarded on front and rear with vertical and horizontal light curtains. It also has an emergency stop button on the rear side. The sides of both presses are guarded with expanded metal guarding and framework. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did with the 36-inch ram press. We're going to run this one up to show that the light curtains are in the circuit going up, front and rear. And then we'll show that the light curtains are in the circuit coming down, front and rear. And then we'll show that you can break the light curtains when it's clamped and it has no effect on the press. So, go ahead, Junior. Okay, press is closing in fast speed. Breaks the front light curtain. Requires him to return the press to the bottom position. Okay, we'll go ahead and run it up. Rear light curtains are in the circuit. Have to return the press to the bottom position again. This time we'll go all the way up with the press and clamp it. Okay, press goes into slow close. Press goes into tonnage. Once it's in tonnage, it will time out and decompress. There's decompression. Now the press is opening. He's going to break the front light curtain. Okay. We'll start the opening process again. We'll break the rear light curtain. Okay, press stops. Return the press to the bottom position. We'll do another auto cycle, and this time we'll break the light curtains front and rear when it's under tonnage. Okay, press is under tonnage, breaking the light curtain. Go ahead and break it back here. Breaking it in the rear, no effect. Okay, decompression. Press will open back to the bottom position. That completes SW-0618A 30-inch ram press.